My failure in the past many times in my life, with friends, with projects, with my Dharma work, my failures in the past gave me an inner security. What's that inner security? And I'm going to say it. What's the worst that can happen? What's the worst that can happen to us? It's happened. What else can happen? It's not over till it's over. I mean, nothing else worse can happen unless I die. That would be the worst. And that I can't control or help. So what's the worst that can happen? And knowing that you have failed that badly and you have gone down that low should give you inner security. What kind of insecurity? It can't get any worse. That's it. So now it can only be up if we choose. It can only be up if we work towards it.